Configure Discover settings so learners can search for courses and self-enroll. This tutorial shows how to configure Discover settings. There are 5 steps to enable Discover: Org Tools, change visibility in Discover permission for instructors, access Discover permission for learners, a new configuration variable for learners, and adding Discover to the Navbar. To begin, click Admin Tools. Navigate to Organization Tools and click it. First, you must enable Discover for your org unit. Navigate to Discover and click the toggle. Note: although Discover appears for all clients, only Brightspace core clients can turn it on. To display form elements for self-enrollment, you must enable Is Displayed for registration and description elements. Navigate to Admin Tools and click it. Then, select Form Elements. Click Form Elements and select Course Offering Info. Click Edit. Then, select the checkboxes for registration and description. Then, navigate to Save and click it. Next, set the configuration variable for learners. Click Admin Tools and select Config Variable Browser. Then, search for the D2L System Enrollment Learner Role configuration variable and click it. Set this configuration variable to the learner role using Add Value, and then selecting the appropriate org unit and role. Next, set the appropriate permissions for instructors and learners. Click Admin Tools and select Roles and Permissions. First, set the new Discover Change Visibility in Discover permission for instructors at the organization level. Click Instructor and select the Change Visibility in Discover permission at the org level. Note: set this permission for all roles who will manage self-enrollment options. Next, to allow learners access to Discover, ensure the learner role has the Discover Access Discover permission set at the organization level. Filter by role. Then, select Access Discover. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Lastly, add Discover to the org level Navbar. Click Actions for Navbar and select Edit this Navbar. Click Add Links. Search for Discover and select it. Then, click Add. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Configure Discover settings so learners can search for courses and self-enroll.